Today we're at the Maker's Faire and we're going to see some funny things. This is a racetrack for solar cars.
Drift carts maybe not get quite as close to the spectators as they did before. Okay, here they come around lap 2. The handling advantage just not able to overcome.
This machine can walk and it's also like an exoskeleton. This vendor is very special because it creates sculptures from paper that's foldable, and they also have wooden sculptures like this train and like the mammoth that can move. Dragon is made out of balloons, and also the backdrop is fully made out of balloons. (3D printing session area. So at this station, they're cutting out circles of wood, and then you can make your own yo-yo. This person has a backpack that's also a 3D printer. This is a 3D printed gear bearing, and you don't have to assemble anything. It comes out like this and it works like a normal ball bearing.
So how do I feel about the basics? I think a pen and a piece of paper is the most powerful tool for change ever. But nothing beats drawing. And the thing I love about drawing too, and the reason I use a pencil, is I learned this from looking at the notebooks of Guillermo del Toro. You can go in and you can change your drawings after a while. You can go back to old drawings and you can erase stuff and make them better. I'm totally not above doing that. I refine my sketchbooks all the time. I go back to old pages and add borders and titles and make the pages feel more as a unique and singular pieces of art. And that actually, for me, giving myself permission to do that changed the way I thought about my sketching. It changed my desire to sit and sketch, because now each page is like, ooh, that's cool, I forgot I drew that.
My favorite area was solar panel car racing because it was really cool.
Today was very fun, and I enjoyed the 3D printing area the best because there's a lot of drones and 3D printers and different things they made.